We've got some breaking news coming in here on Headlines today on the situation on the border with Pakistan. The government will not talk to Pakistan on Kashmir till peace has returned completely. Pakistan cannot coerce India to talk, is what a top government official pertaining to the security of the country and dealing directly with security of the country has told Headlines today in a conversation. India will not wilt under pressure to talk. If Pakistan fires the first bullet, it should know and it should be sure that India will fire the last round. Only when peace returns and people are safe in their homes in border villages can talks actually happen. This official, a very senior official in this government, has said Pakistan has to learn to talk without the shadow of gun or terror. India's tough stance will remain for as long as necessary. We want peace with Pakistan without terror and border tension. Pakistan has failed completely to internationalize the Kashmir issue, and this border tension shows its utter and complete desperation. These are the precise words of a top government official in the security establishment. Thousands have meanwhile fled the border villages as Pakistan mounts one of the worst ceasefire violations in recent times. 2 more civilians were killed as Pakistan Rangers opened heavy fire on dozens of border villages today. Here's the very latest.
Facing bullets and mortars that have damaged many homes, these men, women and children are running for their lives, away from terror from across the border. 7 dead, more than 70 injured, and several thousands uprooted from their homes, all within a month. And Pakistan remains relentless, refusing to press the pause button on its treachery. From Arispura to Harinagar, there is panic and fear.
देखिए जी, बहुत खौफजदा हालात है। हमारे बच्चे चिल्लाते हुए गांव से निकले हैं। वो तो हम बयान नहीं कर सकते। वो तो वही है जो सहता है, जिसको लगती है वही उसको पता था कि दर्द कितना हुआ।
आया कोई नहीं है, मतलब हमारी कोई मदद करने वाला है। हमारे पास गाड़ी नहीं, गाड़ी उधर जा नहीं सकते हम। पुलिस वाला आया हमारे पास, अभी 3-4 तो बता रहे हैं सर। अभी गाड़ी पर पता नहीं कितने मतलब जख्मी है उधर, इतना पता नहीं चल रहा है।
In Arnya sector, this local school has become a shelter to many. They eat, sleep and live here amid constant fear that one of them or a loved one could be the target of the next bullet.
उधर गोलाबारी हो रही थी, उधर से आए हैं। बहुत ही दुखी और परेशान होकर, किसी का मन नहीं करता अपना घर छोड़ने को, लेकिन हम बहुत दुखी होकर अपना घर छोड़ के आए हैं।
Many terrified to return to their homes.
डर को बहुत ज्यादा, क्योंकि हमारे बच्चे जो है वो बाहर नहीं जा रहे हैं। अभी उनको बोलो भाई घर चलो, वो कहते हैं हम नहीं जाएंगे, बम पड़ रहे हैं। हमें बहुत ज्यादा खौफ है।
हम अपने गांव में डर के वापस भी नहीं जा सकते हैं। कि हमने सोचा था कि सुबह चलो वापस चलेंगे घर पे, थोड़ी निगरानी देखेंगे कुछ क्या हालात है। अभी इतना डर हो चुका है कि हम वापस भी नहीं जा सकते हैं सर।
Civilians for some time now have been collateral damage to Pakistan's treachery, and with each passing day, the murderous tally is only rising. In Poonch sector, locals stare death in the face with unprovoked firing from Pakistan.
पाकिस्तान से भी हमारी ये गुजारिश है, या हम ये करेंगे कि कहेंगे उनसे कि यहाँ पे जो पुरअमन माहौल बना हुआ है उसको बिगाड़े मत, और जो सिविलियंस पे ये जो यहाँ पे जो फायरिंग की जा रही है और यहाँ पे किलिंग्स हो रही हैं, इनको जल्द से जल्द रोका जाए।
Violence, gunshots, mortars, shelling, injuries and blood, perhaps the only diplomacy Pakistan knows, snuffing out innocent lives who are in the unfortunate line of fire. With Ashraf Wani, Kamaljeet Sandhu and Ashwini Kumar, Shujoy, Headlines Today.